customer for its destination. We give the discounted rates because we save money when customers do the sorting for us. If we have to rework the mail because of improper sorting, we've lost the advantage. Pre-sorted mail bypasses several operations and extra handlings. It is the most profitable mail to process. As we mentioned earlier, nearly all the mail from our stations, branches, and associate offices arrives at the main facility at the same time, usually between 5 and 7 p.m. It is the responsibility of mail handlers to take the mail to the proper operation. Considering that all the outgoing mail must be processed and dispatched within a few hours, their main responsibility is to keep all the different types of equipment stocked with the right kind of mail. This task is even more important since we've become so highly automated. Raw collection mail that hasn't been sorted in any manner goes to the culling unit to be dumped and separated through a series of conveyor belts and sorting mechanisms. Flats, packages, and oversized envelopes are pulled out to be canceled and sorted in another operation. Letters travel on to the canceling machines. The M36 and Mark II cancelers face and cancel letter mail. They also separate mail with facing identification marks, or FIM, which indicates business reply or pre-barcoded mail. Once the mail is canceled, it goes directly to the optical character reader. There are 3 primary forms of mail processing. Automation is our newest and most efficient way of processing mail. High-tech machines read and sort the mail, requiring fewer employees in its operation. The components of automation include the optical character reader and the barcode sorter. The OCR, staffed with 2 employees, has 60 stackers and is able to read the address information on a piece of mail at the rate of 36,000 pieces per hour while applying a half-bar representation of the ZIP +4 code. After the barcode has been applied by the OCR, all subsequent sortations can be made by a barcode sorter, which utilizes the same staffing as the OCR and reads the barcode at 36,000 pieces per hour, sorting the mail to 96 stackers. Mechanization is processing mail on machines operated by people who read the address and key appropriate codes. The machine sorts the mail to an appropriate bin or holdout. Current mechanization consists of the multi-position letter sorting machine, the multi-position flat sorting machine, small parcel and bundle sorter, parcel sorter, and the encoding system for miscoded or uncoded letters. Manual distribution is the hand processing of mail into pigeonhole-style cases. This form of distribution was invented by Ben Franklin and has served the Postal Service well for over 200 years. In comparing productivity from each form of distribution, the manual letter case productivity is approximately 700 pieces per clerk hour. MPLSM productivity is 1,700 pieces per clerk hour. Automated equipment has a productivity rate of approximately 10,000 pieces per clerk hour. For this reason, every effort should be made to ensure that the maximum amount of mail possible is sorted through the automated distribution system. Even if mail must make 2 or 3 passes on automated equipment, it is still a higher productivity and a more cost-effective method. Let's look at the individual operations, beginning with automation. A multi-line OCR processing mail on a selected scheme separates mail into 60 stackers. Stacker number 1 is usually a reject stacker for mail the OCR cannot read. This mail must be taken to an MPLSM, if available, or to the manual unit to be worked. The other stackers are labeled depending on the scheme currently programmed on the system. Certain destinations are finalized at this point and are properly marked and dispatched on a timely basis. Other bins mass mail to be sent to the barcode sorters for further processing. Close attention must be given to ensure that mail not be allowed to accumulate in large quantities before it is sent to the next unit. At the barcode sorter operation, mail is handled in much the same way as the OCR. Rejects are sent to the MPLSM for further processing. However, more mail is sorted to its final destination in this operation than any other. Some mail, usually for a specific zone or box section, will be held and staged for processing again on the barcode sorter with the secondary scheme. The staging area must be checked often to prevent unnecessary buildup and to determine processing time requirements for the secondary runs. The next area is mechanization. Letter mail that has been rejected by the automated systems or is not compatible with automation due to size should be worked on the MPLSM. Dispatches from this unit must also be made on a timely basis. Rejects such as the 0 bin and the 400 bin, which require reworking, must be handled expeditiously, either by the encoding room for non-coded and miscoded mail or manually. The manual section is our area of last resort. It is our goal to work with customers to decrease the volume of mail that can't be worked by automation or mechanization. The Postmaster General has decreed that all letter mail will be barcoded by 1995, either by the customer or by us. Eventually, we plan to have a barcode on everything, including flats, bundles, catalogs, and parcels. The ultimate goal of mail processing is to accurately sort all available mail and dispatch it to the next processing facility or delivery unit in a timely and economical manner. Automation and barcoding is the key to reaching our goal. In summarizing, remember that 1, properly prepared mail is important to a smooth flow through the mail processing system. Carriers, clerks, mail handlers, and customers play a key role in this preparation. 2, priority for processing mail goes first to automation, then mechanization, and only as a last resort to the manual unit. 3, mail should never be removed from a higher priority operation unless the mail is not compatible with that operation or unless operational requirements dictate. 4, dispatch mail on a timely basis. Do not let mail accumulate in large quantities before sending to the next unit. The future of the Postal Service begins today, and it depends on all of us, customer and employee, working together to make that future a promising one.